2025 was a year of discovery. A year where footsteps echoed through rainforests, blended with mountain vines, and stories of nature, culture, and disappearing traditions were captured forever. Welcome to Speedbird's Adventures. This is our journey across Sri Lanka in 2025. Our adventure begins with the 2-day hike to Adams Peak along the DEHENAKANDA MUKKUWATTA route. As compared to the yesterday, today is a very bright day. So we started our journey around 10 o'clock. Again, we are climbing a small mountain. Walk through endless tea plantations, then entered deep tropical rainforests. As the day ended, we camped beside a stream near the beautiful Paradise Fall. As we climbed higher, the ecosystem slowly changed into montane forest. We crossed many freshwater streams, clear, cold and full of life. Now we are one step closer to the scared summit of Adams Peak. If you are enjoying the journey, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Along the trail, we observed endemic plants, insects, birds, butterflies and animals. Next, we hiked to KABARAGALA mountain in the misty hills of DOLOSBAGE. The trail started through tea estates, opened into grasslands, and ended in montane forest. Camping on the summit was unforgettable. Clouds moved below us and silence filled the night. It was a moment of peace high above the world.
Hi friend, now time is around 1:30 in the evening. We start our journey around 9 o'clock, summit of KABARAGALA. So we can see nice panoramic view, and there are many mountains and really nice view. And my backside I can see the Rasagala. There is another beauty. So one day we will.
Another journey led us along the famous KURUWITA ERATHNA route to Adams Peak. This trail passed through rich tropical rainforests and cool montane cloud forests. We crossed natural streams and walked paths used by pilgrims for centuries. Once again, we encountered rare endemic flora and fauna. Here, nature and spirituality walk together. Deep inside the lowland tropical rainforest, we explored the SALGALA forest monastery in Galapitamada, Ruwanwella. This place is surrounded by silence, broken only by bird calls. Many bird species were observed, making this forest a true sanctuary for both nature and meditation. We then traveled to DEDUGALA, a town slowly disappearing. Once full of life, today it stands quiet and forgotten. This journey told the deeper story of migration, changes, and the fading hearts of a town. While exploring the scenic DOLOSBAGE mountain range, we discovered hidden waterfalls and breathtaking mountain valleys.
Good morning, guys. Today is very peaceful day. This is our another journey. We start from Talawakale early morning. Now we reach to the border of the HORTON plains. We're passing several beautiful tea estates, DAYAGAMA West, Grasgo, and DAYAGAMA.
In the Central Highlands, we explored HORTON Plains National Park through the DAYAGAMA Nature Trail. This trail is also stage 10 of the PEKOE trail. This is fierce Wolachi, prayer orchids in the mountain ecosystem. Water streams flowed beside us, wild orchids, wildflowers, birds and animals appeared along the way. From the wet zone, we moved into the dry zones of Sri Lanka. We explored the Victoria Randhenigala and Rantabe Sanctuary and the vast Randhenigala Reservoir. Here, water and forest exist in balance, supporting wildlife in a harsh landscape. A scenic train journey through the hill country took us to ELGIN waterfall. This train journey itself becomes the destination.
ELGIN waterfall.
We then climbed HARITHA, the green mountain of BOGAWANTHALAWA. The trail passed through tea plantations, natural forest and mountain grasslands. Surrounded by green hills and mist, this hike was calm and refreshing. Another adventure began at OHIYA railway station following stage 11 of the PEKOE trail. We walked through eucalyptus and pinus plantations before entering montane cloud forests and wet grasslands. Along the way, we observed wild orchids, birds, butterflies, and other wildlife.
After around 4 hours of walking from OHIYA railway station to the Horton Plains National Park, now I am reaching to my final destination there. This is the final destination of today's journey. The bees are collecting nectar and pollen. So today morning is very bright. Today very bright sunshine. This is Strobilanthus hookeri. This is comparatively large flower than rest of the Strobilanthus species.
One of the rarest moments of 2025 was the mass flowering of Strobilanthus species in Horton Plains and surrounding hills. This event happens only once every 12 years. We explored GALBODA waterfall near NAWALAPITIYA. It's powerful, graceful, and hidden within the hills. At RUNAKANDA forest, we highlighted the importance of lowland tropical rainforests adjoining to Singharaja rainforest, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This ecosystem supports rich butterflies, birds, and endemic flora and fauna. Protecting forests like RUNAKANDA means protecting life itself. Several episodes followed our journey from MANNAR to JAFFNA. Historic sites such as Doric Bungalow, MANNAR Dutch Port, and Talaimana Pier connected nature with history. We explored lagoons, beaches, tanks, and glowing sunsets. Two special episodes focused on the traditional lifestyles of WALAPANE. We documented traditional farming, transporting harvest using bulls known as tawalama. We experienced village foods and spent a night in a tree house. These stories remind us that traditional life is slowly disappearing. These are just highlights from Speedbird's adventures in 2025. Many more stories are waiting for you on our channel. Important video links are in the descriptions. Watch, explore and share your thoughts with us. Subscribe to Speedbird's Adventures for many new journeys in 2026. Nature has stories, we follow the trails.